Imagine, you land in America with $100 in your pocket. No rich family. No connections. No special degree. Yet within 10 years, you build wealth. You buy assets. You achieve financial freedom. How? Not luck. It's called the American dollar mindset. Today I'll show you why the USA creates more millionaires than any country. The psychology behind the dollar. The 5-step wealth blueprint Americans follow. And how you can copy it from anywhere in the world. Stay till the end. Step 4 will completely change how you think about money. Why USA creates millionaires. America has over 22 million millionaires. Why? Because the system rewards risk takers, problem solvers, value creators. In the USA, credit is easy. Business laws are friendly. Capital markets are open. Investing culture is normal. An average American teen learns how to use credit, how to invest, how to build side income, while others are taught save money. Americans are taught multiply money. That's the difference. The dollar mindset explained. Dollar mindset means money must work. Income must grow. Assets over liabilities. Comfort is dangerous. Risk is necessary. Americans don't ask, how can I save? They ask, how can I scale? Example. If rent is high, they start Airbnb. If job salary is low, they start freelancing. If prices increase, they invest in stocks. They think in leverage. Time leverage. Skill leverage. Money leverage. That is the mindset shift. Step-by-step wealth blueprint. Step 1. Increase income aggressively. Multiple income streams. Skill stacking. Side hustles. Step 2. Build credit power. In USA, credit score equals financial weapon. Good credit means low interest loans, business funding, real estate opportunities. Step 3. Invest early. 401k. Index funds. S&P 500. ETFs. They don't wait. They invest monthly. Compounding does the rest. Step 4. Use debt smartly. Poor people avoid debt. Rich Americans use strategic debt. Mortgage. Business loans. Leveraged assets. Debt that produces income equals good debt. Step 5. Reinvest profits. No luxury early. No flashy lifestyle. Everything goes back into assets. That's how wealth multiplies. What most people do wrong. They upgrade lifestyle too fast. Buy cars before assets. Depend on one salary. Fear investing. Avoid risk. They focus on comfort. Dollar mindset focuses on growth. How you can copy this? 18 to 20 hours. You don't need to live in America. You need American thinking. Global opportunities. Internet leverage. Start today. Learn high income skill. Build side income. Invest monthly. Reinvest profits. This is the dollar mindset. And once you understand it, money stops being survival. It becomes a tool.